American neuroscientist Benjamin Libet was a pioneer in the study of human consciousness. In one famous experiment, he asked participants to wear an EEG electroencephalogram cap and watch a dot rotating like a clock on a screen. Participants could press a button whenever they felt like it, but they had to remember exactly where the dot was when they made the decision to press. The goal? To pinpoint the exact moment of conscious decision-making. On average, the participants' hands moved 0.2 seconds after they made the decision. Understandable, since the signal takes time to travel from brain to hand. But here's the twist. The EEG recorded brain activity 0.5 seconds before the participants were even aware they had made a decision. Libet repeated the experiment using finger flexing and wrist turning. The results were the same. So it seems, by the time you consciously say, "now," your brain already made that choice half a second earlier. If conscious intention happens after the brain's activity, is free will just an illusion? This raised a massive philosophical question. If we don't truly choose, can we still be held accountable? Does morality even make sense? For decades, scientists and philosophers wrestled with this dilemma. Then came a breakthrough. In 2015, the Bernstein Center for Computational Neuroscience in Germany ran a new experiment. Participants watched a traffic light. When it turned green, they were to press a button as fast and as often as they could. But when it turned red, they had to immediately stop. Like Libet's test, the participants wore EEG caps. But here's the difference. The computer would predict their intent and flash the red light just before they pressed the button. The results? Even though brain activity began before the button press, participants could still stop themselves up to 2.2 seconds before acting. That means your brain might start a thought or urge, but you can still choose whether to act on it. It's like meditation. You can't stop thoughts from arising, but you can decide whether to react. So, does that mean humans have free will? First, let's clarify something. Some people confuse free consciousness with free will. But as French philosopher Henri Bergson explained, consciousness is the stream of awareness, always flowing, always creating. Will is the impulse to act, to choose. So when we talk about free will, we mean the freedom to choose our actions, not just to be aware of them. Now comes a deeper question. If the universe has a script, does free will even matter? Some believe everything, past, present, future, already exists. So how can we change a written future? Here's where quantum physics enters the chat. You've probably heard of Schrödinger's cat. Put a cat in a box with a radioactive atom and a poison vial. If the atom decays, the poison releases, and the cat dies. If it doesn't, the cat lives. Until you open the box and observe, the cat is both alive and dead, a superposition of states. Only when you look does the outcome collapse into a single reality. This suggests the future isn't fixed. It's a cloud of possibilities that solidify through observation, or perhaps choice. Physicist Hugh Everett proposed the many worlds theory. Each time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into versions for each possible outcome. Meaning, there isn't just one script for your life. There are countless scripts, and your choices are what determine which one becomes real. Think of it this way. The script might say you'll meet a difficult boss at work. That's part of your environment, maybe even your karma. But how you respond to him, that's free will. You could hold a grudge, fight back, or respond with patience and kindness. Each choice leads to a different you and a different future. Free will doesn't mean no rules or consequences. It means, even within limitation, you have the power to choose your response. To truly use your free will, you have to act within that tiny 0.2 second window before your habits and unconscious urges take over. And that's not easy. But it is possible. Some people think freedom means doing whatever they want. Others believe true freedom means not being controlled by cravings or illusions. So here's the question. Do you think free will is real? Are we bound by fate? Or can we choose a different path? Let me know what you believe.